So we got the old Battle Axe CRB here all repaired. Let's give her a, let's fire her up and see how she runs. Oh, so quiet. The urine spot there. We will take care of that. Look how nice she's running. Man. She's ready for another 6 years of abuse and torture. Very happy to have this done. So you can see I had to repair my cord. I had to re-tap and screw in some holes here. This is my custom hole holder. Had to drill and re-tap a new hole. And we don't want to look at that one. That one came out a little crooked, so we're not going to show that one. Anyway, we're back in business, baby.